short form and long form content on my Spikes and Gills YouTube channel. I do record and upload YouTube Shorts videos that are under a minute long. That's short form content. That's available on my Spikes and Gills YouTube channel. But also I've got long form content. I've got actual episodes that are 15 to 20 minutes long uploaded on my YouTube channel, the Spikes and Gills YouTube channel. Yeah, so why don't you head on over to Spikes and Gills YouTube channel and click subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my Spikes and Gills YouTube channel. That would be awesome. And that way you'll be notified of all long form and short form content uploaded in the future. And on any videos you're watching, won't you please smash that like button for me? That just helps the algorithm boost that video. It gets that video more impressions and ultimately more views and more likes and just more interaction with my viewers and followers. Got him! I should have stayed on you for that. What do you got there?
For you? Just make sure it didn't bounce.
Thanks, bud. So it's Skip's turn.
I'm just going to take one to see if I knocked it off. Because I'm all over the place. Like
I gotta hurry up and get the drone up in a few minutes. I'm gonna just take a couple of my 243 as well. Just right before we leave, I'm gonna take. Obviously, I'm not too concerned about shooting anything. Hey, good job, Jason.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Hey, Skip.
Yeah.
Can I put this right here?
Whatever you want.
No, right here. Like, do you know where I'm pointing at? Okay, hold on. Let me get this set up. Don't shoot because I don't have earplugs in.
Yeah.
That's recording. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, how the hell do you hold still, Jay? Wow.
Which target is he aiming for?
I'm going the same one he was on.
Oh, are you?
Yeah. Only one that's comfortable. Hold still.
I think, yeah.
Anywhere?
I wasn't
Top
ready
right.
to shoot, but
I saw it on camera, top right. I think you went above it, top
Can't
right.
hold still.
Oh, it's blowing around. Where'd that go?
the top.
He's high, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's why you missed the buck last year. You went right over his neck.
Yeah, I did because he put his head down.
Yeah. Oh, you're done. All right, we're here.
I swear, if I shoot a deer, I'll be like,
Because you'll be too nervous?
it's rabbit.
Yes.
What season is it? It is rabbit season. Really, it is. They're fair game. Now for a biddy, if you do shoot at a grouse with a rifle, you aim for the base of the neck so you don't ruin the meat. That's what these Rodney Elmer and the Mountain Deer gang off YouTube and everything, they have mountain deer taxidermy out. They're tracking and they're out of Eustis up in the mountains. They're here right now. I follow them on their YouTube channel and they have over 17,000 subscribers.
No kidding.
Yeah, they're the big time. They're the real deal. And they shoot grouse with a rifle while they're tracking deer. They just aim for the neck. Shoot the neck. Cool. Okay, off. We're gonna go see Skip. You guys will be shooting deer while I'm still running camera.
So don't run camera, get dressed.
Redemption for you this year, right?
I hope so. He comes out around.
So what happened last year?
Yeah.
Tell them.
I missed
What? What'd you miss?
the monster.
Yeah. Like how big? How many points does he have?
He's got 11 now.
11 now.
Yep.
And
I bet he
has anyone estimated his age yet? About how old he might be? What do you think? He's over 5, probably?
I would think so. He's about gone full in around 240 on it, I think.
Do you think he'd field dress over 250 or
240?
240, yeah, and that.
It's hard to tell, really.
Hey, Justin, you got
So you missed.
You got spray, right?
I do have spray.
I tried to take him in the back of the head.
Yeah, we're not gonna I'm not gonna bother with
I
it.
probably should have shot
Yeah,
him right up
we're not
the
gonna
butt.
bother with any spray. I haven't even. There's so much on my word stuff. My stuff's just laying in there.
Okay.
I'm not
You
gonna
guys are going
bother.
that way?
Or are you gonna go with me and Mark, or like just walk
We're gonna go
in?
that way.
That would be Mark and I. Property.
Oh, you mean you and Skip?
No,
Or head.
Skip's gonna go out here with Josh and Taylor.
Taylor.
We'll go out that way.
Us 3. Oh,
Us
3 and
yeah.
then 3.
3 and 3, yep.
So you with
Cool.
the rookie. Yeah.
My fanny
Okay.
pack is my belt.
I'm okay with being with the rookie.
What was that?
I said my fanny pack's my belt because this is too big. I'm
You
gonna
heading
pull
right
up
through that,
over
Noel?
here.
Yeah. I think this is Mark.
I feel like an Oompa
Cool.
and I'm okay with it.
All right. Hey, good luck, guys.
Yes, sir.
We need
I gotta
it.
get the rest of my.
We need it. We need
Okay,
it
cool.
all.
I'm gonna finish getting dressed. Go with these guys. Get out of here.
We're good.
All right, cool.
Enjoy.
Have fun, Taylor.
Oh yeah.
Shoot the big one. Well, we'll hear your shot anyway. Where are you going, Mark?
I gotta go get my gloves.
Okay. All right, shut this thing off. Ready? I don't know which way the wind's blowing, but. I wonder if Jason can hear it. It's called the attention run. It's just a series of 3 or 4 short little bursts. It's just deer do it off. They're so social. They're wicked social creatures. They often call. Oh, Mark, I hear deer calling all the time when they come in. I'll hear bleating and grunt. I've watched them fight each other, grunt, greeting, bleating, grunt at each other. Oh yeah, they're wicked social.
moose scat down there.
Oh, it's all over the place. It is so full. I can't walk quiet through that stuff.
No. Like you don't freaking get buried as you walk.
Oh my god. Oh. Alright. That was fun.
Do you want to take care of that branch that you got?
No. That's my rope.
Oh, that's your that's his rope. Oh, it is your rope, you're right. I was wondering if you didn't open up your survival kit.
Yeah. I didn't have any rope, so I'm like,
here, why don't you take it off of there? You can strap it to my...
oh, I'm good. See, it's actually completely perfect. Doesn't really get in the way.
That's pretty cool.
The whole, all the bones right there. The
Really?
whole spine, everything, rib cage.
Oh, we found the whole thing.
Yeah. No antlers.
Did you just explore, or did you sit?
I sat for a while, went to a clearing. By the satellite view, there was supposed to be a big clearing that way. So I went to it. I went to the bottom corner of it, and there's no way you can hunt that. No way.
Okay.
Yeah. And looped back around to where all the runs came together and sat there.
Mm-hmm.
There's like a tunnel. You walk in, and it's so just dense on either side.
Yeah.
So I'm like, there's gonna be a moose gonna get spooked or something. I was gonna scare the crap out of something, but that was pretty cool.
Oh, recording. So he bedded right out in the middle of the field, dude. Yeah, I gotta go see if I can find him. Hopefully not, but... He ran, but don't know if I hit him. I think I just missed him again. I think he was bedded right there in the middle of the field. I didn't take my time to shoot. Alright. Alright, the buck was bedded right here. There's the buck bed right there. It's where the buck was laying and he ran that way. Oh, I see blood. The buck lay there. Scar him in the lungs. And there's the blood right there. Yeah. Good blood sign right there. Good blood. Oh, yes. I got him. He's dead right here, guys. I got my buck. Oh, he's nice. I think he'll weigh good, too. He's a good size. I think he'll weigh good, weigh up good. Yes, Hey everybody. Oh, this buck. What a beautiful Maine 8-point buck. Hey, he may field dress 155-ish, close to 160. He's pretty long. He might weigh up pretty good. A good 150 to 160 pounds field dressed, I'd say. Just a good solid 2.5-year-old 8-pointer. I thought that he might have been a 3-year-old. I was hunting him in archery season and had my opportunities at getting him in archery season, but I missed. Shot like a foot over his back, stalking him on a rainy day, stalking him out in the food plot. I shot right over his back. And another time he come in making a scrape. I got him on video checking his scrape, freshening the scrape, hitting the licking branch and walking into the food plot, munching on clover. And my shot went too low then. Ended up just grazing him on the underside here, or somewhere under his armpit area. So that was 2 shots with the bow. I went over his back the first time, and my arrow went too low the second time. This was the 3rd shot at this buck. This time with 243 rifle. Yeah, I used the 243 caliber, Winchester Model 7 243. It was about a 150-yard shot. I still hunted through on this rainy, wet day. It was quiet walking, so I still hunted through the woods to where I knew he hung out, where he'd like the bed and stuff. And I come out on the edge of the field, and I catch him in his bed, laying right over there about probably 80 yards from here. He ran 80 yards after the shot. But I shot him high lung. I double lunged him. He was laying right down over there, about 80 yards, right in his bed. But I come out onto the edge and I scan the surroundings and I catch him staring at me from his bed. And it was over a 100-yard shot. A good 130 plus yards, close to a 150-yard shot, offhand with 243. I thought that I missed him again for the 3rd time because he ran off with his tail up and everything. I found him piled right up 80 yards away from where he was laying. There he is. Yeah, I caught him earlier this morning feeding. He was feeding in the food plot, eating, and I jumped him into the woods. He went running, beelined it for the woods, and I knew kind of the general area he was headed, so I got all my gear ready, got hunting clothes on, got hit the woods and started still hunting in the general direction where I thought he might be hanging out, and it paid off. My first rainy day buck, the first trophy buck I ever shot in the rain. First deer I ever shot in the rain, period. Never shot a rainy day deer. And he's a nice one. Another one for the wall. Since I do taxidermy, I'll be mounting him myself. I'll be able to do a nice, beautiful shoulder mount of this bad boy here. He'll make a beautiful mount. Yeah, he's nice. He's a nice one. Yeah, I finally got him. Man, second weekend of archery season, like middle of October, I got my opportunities at this buck. The beginning of the second week, I went over his back, and later the following Saturday, the end of second week in October, I hit too low. My shot went low, but today I got it done. I got him today. Beautiful buck, just beautiful, beautiful buck. Look at the blood I just got on my hand. He's got blood. I'd say he left a good blood trail. There's blood on the bushes and stuff over here. Yeah, he's a nice one.